veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost.
Morning everybody, it is Sunday out here at Brainerd International Raceway, and that means it's Elimination Day. Today in the first round we're going to have the current world record holder, Mr. J.R. Carr. We have a few things that we made some changes on. Mike and Bill made some really good changes on the clutch for today. Got everything ready. We went through the tune and made a couple of tune changes, just handling some power management, and we also went through and just checked everything on the engine, did leak downs yesterday, did everything. We think we got this thing licked. You guys saw we had a couple of issues there with some gremlins, and hopefully that whole family of gremlins, they're gone. So let's get up here for first round. You guys saw we just fired this up. It was sounding really good. And man, I'm so excited to be back in eliminations at Brainerd International Raceway after the wreck we had and everything, the crazy season and our own racing this year. It's awesome to be back here on Eliminations Day in the Motor Pro Stock pits. I mean, this is door car country. You can't ask for anything more. So, not the results that we really wanted, but the car did go through the 60 foot, and now it's time to start chipping away at that tuning we need to do for early on in the run and getting it through there. Bill's already in there looking at data, getting ready for India, and that Indianapolis is in 2 weeks. So we're gonna get this figured out. We'll talk to Bill here in a bit. We're gonna test a couple of things on here. We want to test the shift light, make sure that it's not flickering or causing an issue there for Bill. So we have a tester. We'll show you guys that here in just a sec. Actually, I'll show it to you now. So right here, this is a really cool, it's called a multi-channel ignition tester by MSD. You hook it up here to the car, and what it allows you to do is it will simulate the engine RPM, and you can twist it up, down, everything, and see what everything does without turning the engine on. Very cool piece of equipment. And hey guys, be right there. So very cool piece of equipment to be able to use. You can test a lot of the different items on the car to see exactly what's happening, whether it's a timer or a shift light, or even the gear change where we can bring it up, drop it down, and come back up. We can see that it's going into the gear for the timing sets, or the timing curves. So that's kind of what we're gonna do here. Hey guys, so it's a couple of days later. We after our last round, we started to we pulled the data, checked everything over, and then started to pack up because Bill and the rest of the crew from Chicago area in Illinois, they had to head back, and it was a good thing we did that because they ended up having a tire blowout in Wisconsin, and then ended up making it home, and everything's good. So we are now going to be getting ready for Indianapolis for the big go, the U.S. Nationals. Pretty excited to go do that. As you saw Bill had made a couple of comments. Yeah, we are pulling an engine out and we're going to put in Bailey. Now, you hear us talk about Bailey and Rachel and Rosie, and all of those are the engine names. And all of those names are after Bill's dogs, whether they're, you know, a current dog or a dog that may not be with us anymore. So, as Jerry, Janata, and Bill have said, they both knew the dogs, and it's crazy how the dog's personality kind of makes it into those engines a little bit. So it's kind of a really neat thing that we have on our team there, that we have the engines named, and it's there's a reason behind it, and it's just kind of a really fun deal. So Bailey's getting the nod for going in for U.S. Nationals, and well, as you see here, we're gonna make some carburetor changes. Mr. Bill took the carburetors and he went and talked with Mr. Bob Book, and they're gonna make some changes to the carburetors. And you know what? That's what we're doing. We're doing a lot of testing on these, so it should be really good. But thank you guys for subscribing. Thanks for following along for all this pro stock stuff. It's been crazy since we had a wreck. All this stuff happened, and now we're on the road and doing this, and it's all fallen together so fast. Thank you very much, Bill, from myself and Al. We appreciate the opportunity, and well, look forward to the Indy episodes, guys, because we're gonna have some fun, and we've got some cool ideas happening there. So go check out the website right here. Make sure you like, subscribe, all of that. I call it the YouTube hokey pokey. Put your right hand in, put your right hand out. Comment, like, subscribe, and until next time, guys. Be safe out there.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling